Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial on coordinate geometry. This time around, I'm going to go through on equation of line. Okay, you need to find the equation of a line given some information. So before I start, first thing that we need to know is the general format of an equation of a line. Okay, it is given by y equals to mx plus c. Okay, the two components, the y and x, will always be there, but the components of m and c, it varies. Okay, it will change. But what's the meaning of m and c? We'll understand that m is the gradient as per previous videos, and c is the y-intercept. Basically, where your line cuts the where the line cuts the y-axis. Okay, so this is the general format of an equation of a line, and for you to find the equation of a line, you need two information. The first one is the gradient, okay? And the second one is you need to have a coordinate, okay? At least one coordinate, then you can find the equation of a line. So as for question number 7a or 7b and so on, so we have the gradient of a line is given and a single point is given. That means this line has a gradient of 2, for example, and it passes through the point B, which is minus 2, 6. So let's see. So m is equals to 2. M equals to 2 while it passes this point minus 2, 6. So how are we going to find the equation? Let's pay attention. What you need to do is, first you need to substitute these two values, substitute the values of m and b into the equation of your line, general equation of your line, to get the value of c, to get your y-intercept value. So your step number 1 is to substitute. So y equals to 6 equals to m equals to 2, x is minus 2 plus c. Okay, so in this case, 6 equals to negative 4 plus c, therefore c is equals to 10. So now that you know the value of c is 10, you get your equation of line by substituting the value of your gradient and your y-intercept back into the equation of your straight line. Therefore, y equals to 2x plus 10. Okay, that is how you find the equation of a straight line given a gradient and one coordinate. Alright, some situations will ask you to find the equation of a straight line when only 2 points are given. So in this case, question number 8, you're given the points A and B, and you need to find the equation of a line. So if you realize you have no gradient, but you have 2 coordinates. But what we have learned in previous videos is such that if you have 2 coordinates, you can find the gradient, right? And therefore, from your 2 coordinates, in this case, you'll find the gradient first, and then use either point A or B, or any one of the 2 points given as your coordinate, and then do the same steps as what you have seen in this video. Okay, so try to find the equation of a straight line. Go and do your homework, your assignment, and this is going to be quite simple. All right, so I will see you in our next videos. Thank you guys.